Welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new very interesting question. So algebra equation, how we can calculate the value of x and y if the x is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 over 1 by 15. How we can calculate the value of x plus y is unknown. Very interesting questions. We try to solve. Now in this question, first of all we take the LCM of this one. LCM, we take LCM x and y, and here is x and x both are divided to each other. Y is remaining, y is multiplied to the denominator term, 1 multiplied by y plus, and here is 1, y are cancelled to each other, and here x is remaining, x is multiplied is equal to 1 over 15. Now if we multiply this one, y plus x divided by x and y is equal to 1 over 15. Very interesting. Now using in here by cross multiplication method, in here cross multiplication if we do in here, so xy is multiplied by 1 and 15 is multiplied by y plus x is equal to 1 multiplied by x and y. So the result is x and y. If we multiply this term, so 15y plus 15x is equal to x and y. Now we transfer, this is your choice, if you are transfer this result or this result, left side result. So I am changing left side result, and here to the right side, here is 0 is remaining 0, and xy minus 15y minus 15x. Now we are needed arrange according to the x. First is x, so we are bringing first x and here, so we can write 15. We can write this term x and y minus 15x minus 15y is equal to 0 according to the x term. Now we are making the pairs. It means that minus 15 multiplied by minus 15, so we get plus 225. It means that we are adding both sides by adding 225 on both sides of this equation. So xy minus 15x minus 15y plus 225 is equal to 225. Both are cancelled, so there will be no effect on the question. Now we are making pairs. If we are making pairs from the first and third and fourth, here x is common and y minus 15 is remaining. Similarly, and here minus 15 is common, y minus 15 is remaining. Minus 15 is remaining is equal to 225. So the result in here y minus 15 into x minus 15. So result is in here 225. Now we are arrange their term according to the pairs. So first bring x and the second y minus 15 is equal to 225. Now there are possibilities. Here we can write this term 1 multiplied by 225, and second term we can write this term 225 multiplied by 1, and third term we can write 15 multiplied by 15. There are three possibilities. Case number first, if we study in here, so x minus 15 is equal to 1, we give first equation, and y minus 15 is equal to 225. This is second equation. Now if we add these terms, very simple, x minus 15 is equal to 1. 15 is changed in here, so the result is x is equal to 1 plus 15 is equal to 16. We put this result, and similarly y and the second equation we get the result of 16, x is equal to 16, and similarly and y minus 15 is equal to 225. We transfer this result, y is equal to 225 plus 15. If we plus this result, we get here 240. So we are required the value of x and plus y. X plus y is required. So x is 16 and y is 240. So the result is 256, as we get one of the solution of 256. Now the second case, if we are proceeding, the second case, study case number second. Case number second is 225 multiplied by 1, and the result is x minus 15 into. So we will equal this one 225 and y minus 15 is equal to 1. So expanding the first, this will be third equation, and this one in fourth equation. Now third equation becomes, and here x minus 15 is equal to 225. If we transfer this result, x is equal to 225 plus 15 is equal to 240. Similarly, and fourth equation, if we study, y minus 15 is equal to 1. So we transfer this result, the result is, and here 15 plus 1, y is equal to 16. Again we are required x and plus y, so the result is 240 plus 16 is equal to 256, x plus y. The same result we are get from the second case. If you study third case, case number third, that will be 15 multiplied by 15. It means that, and here x minus 15, that is 15 is equal to 15, and y minus 15 is equal to 15. So now equation becomes, we get, and here this one is fifth result, and this will be sixth equation. So equation number fifth reduces. Now x minus 15 is equal to 15. We change in here, x is equal to 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Similarly, now equation number 6 is reduces. Y minus 15 is equal to 15. Now we transfer in here, y is equal to 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Now we are finding the value of x plus y is equal to, x is 30 plus, and this will be 30. Now we get in here 60. If you want to check, that is 60. That is the value of x, third equation. Very interesting question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.